Oh, I fell off.
If you've never had Jianbing, you're in for a treat. It's one of China's most beloved street breakfasts. Crispy, savory, and packed with flavor. Think of it like a Chinese crepe layered with egg, crunchy wonton, and some sauces, all rolled up and ready to go. We first fell in love with Jianbing at Jian back when it was inside the French Market in Chicago. Since then, we've been looking for another great spot closer to us. That's how we found Monkey King Jianbing in Skokie. This cozy little shop serves up authentic Jianbing alongside bubble waffles, dumplings, and other tasty street food snacks. It's casual, flavorful, and definitely worth the trip.
It looks so good. Ah, Nico, it has like, it comes in little balls. So it's Nico. It's like a little waffle ball. Yeah, it's yummy. It's squishy. Rico. Yum.
Glad it's not super hot.
Yeah, perfect. I think Nico needs to open it. Nico needs to open this part. What are these?
There was sausage.
I think one of them is gloves. Yay!
Actually,
I'm using my hands. That's massive.
I mean, it's kind of like a Chipotle burrito cut in half.
Mama, and he wants to eat.
Yeah, I'm gonna open it. But Papa's trying.
Okay.
I wonder if the meat floss is pork. Yeah,
Of course it is.
it just tastes really good. And they add like this crispy layer. That's really good. You get a nice crunch.
I realize it's probably easier this way. So mine is the original. I saw the egg and the crunchies. They work together. It took us like how many years to try one?
Oh, it took us quite a few actually. And we didn't have it in Beijing, which was stupid. Yeah, it's basically wrapped in egg with some crunchy stuff. Like, I guess like maybe like 5 wonton.
Yeah, that's what it is. It's amazing. It's very satisfying. I don't know.
And that's a key word. Very satisfying.
Robot. Happy to see it.
Good job.
Yeah, the sausage gives it a nice meatiness and meat floss gives it.
Welcome to another episode of Car Food Confessional, the Jianbing edition. So we went to Monkey King Jianbing. We've been actually wanting to go there for quite a while, but they were closed temporarily. I'm assuming that the owners went back and were visiting family for a while. But they finally opened back up and we finally got to go. And yeah, I love Jianbings. They're really good. For those of you that don't know what it is, it's basically, at least the way that I'm going to describe it, right? It's kind of like a crepe with egg on it, and then they wrap, depending on the one they eat it, they wrap other things in it, right? So for like the veggie one, it's basically kind of like the fried wonton with a little bit of lettuce, and I don't know if I had anything else in it now.
Sauce.
Well, I had sauce. Yeah, Maria's like, I had sauce. I'm like, okay, I had sauce. Mine, I got with meat floss. I think it was pork floss and a hot dog in it. And it was really good. It's very tasty. They use, I guess it's kind of like oyster sauce. Really flavorful stuff. And it really brings out a lot of flavor in the Jianbing. And I think the first time we tried it was at the French Market, incredibly, because they had different stalls. And look, they had the Jianbing sauce, so we tried it there. If I recall correctly, we had an original as well, and also one with Spam, and those were really good. And we've been wanting to try it ever since, and I believe when we were in Beijing, we unfortunately didn't really venture out too far where they were selling Jianbing. So I'm glad we got to try it again. So if you're ever in kind of like the Skokie area on Dempster, definitely recommend you stop by, give it a try. And they're kind of popular, so I would recommend kind of like ordering it for pickup. because they do get quite a few people in there. While we were in there, there was a lot of people. That's kind of like why we were shy. But yeah, really good. Definitely try it out. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye. If you're on the hunt for other Chicago food treasures, let us know in the comments down below. Take care, everybody.